How to make text longer on ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make text longer or edit your text duration on your video on ClipChamp. Well, the process is simple. First things first, you're gonna go ahead and open up ClipChamp as I've done so on the screen, and then import the media that you'd like to edit and add text to. Then here, all you gotta do is tap on add text here, or you can tap on text and you can go ahead and select the text that styles that you would like to add, right? So let me choose the bubble here. So I'll tap on bubble and I'll add it to timeline. Then all you gotta do is extend the duration. You can zoom in, right? Then you can select it and with your mouse you drag it at the end, either starting or end of the text, and you'll get this option. Left click with the mouse and then drag it to extend the time. So you can see previously it was short, now it is long, the time of the text. Now you can add in your text here, you can edit it, right? So you can go ahead and edit it. This is how you can easily make text longer on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.